If you need to make quick input of your orders, use Input button, select Excel or CSV file, and then simply match fields from your file with the corresponding fields in Trackboard. If you have separated columns for delivery addresses in your spreadsheet and you would like to get a full address, please choose in the address, Build Address, and match required fields with ones from your file. Then the system will merge these columns and build the full address automatically. When everything is ready, click Input, and in some seconds all your orders will be displayed on the dashboard. Tick Show to geolocate addresses and see them on the map.